Good afternoon, dear tutoring classmate. My name is Eliana Marcela Chaparro. For this collaborative activity, I chose the lesson for words and concepts. Mm, I want to start with the following question. How and why we understand that the word dog, beagle, and bulldog refers to the same concept or for example or creatures. Mm, it's important to have in account that the language is symbolic, but isn't intrinsic. Also, it's important. It's important it's important to have in account that the words or sounds is different in each language. Um, for example, um, the sounds of a car in Colombia or in Spanish, sorry. In Spanish, the sound is beep beep, but in Mandarin is toot toot. In Portuguese is fon fon. Eh, the previous example is a clear example of the each language have different sounds and words. Also, there is a social theories of language. Saussures that argue that sorry Saussure argue that language is our medium of communication. It has two meanings. For example, signifier and signifying. Signifier is the string of the word of the sounds that we use for saying the word example tree, while signify is a mental model mental that we use for imaginate a tree. It's important. In my case, it's important that topic because we learn the difference between sign, symbolic, and phonetic sounds. The topic was very important. Thanks.